Hello guys, my name is Stefan and I'm 6 and this is my mom. And here's a Rubik Cube. And since I'm a beginner at scrambling the Rubik Cube, I'm always gonna do it.
I'm gonna scramble it so well. You're never ever gonna make it back.
No. Hopefully I get lucky with a good scramble.
You're gonna be lucky.
Come on, please.
It's so scrambled.
No, it's not. This is actually a good scramble. Let's do this. Oh, yeah. There's up there. Okay.
Oh my god, I can't understand what you're doing. Can you explain to me a little?
First I made the cross with the correct lines like this, and now I'm making the white with the correct corners. I just made the last corner, and now I'm gonna make the second layer around here. So. So, what you're gonna do down, left, middle, and then left. And then right, bottom, middle, bottom, middle. And then we have that piece done. Look, that piece. Okay.
Let's see how fast you can solve it for today.
Okay, but I need to explain everything?
I don't know. I was thinking that while you do it fast, you can also say what you do.
Okay. So we're just gonna put that piece there. More pieces.
You really are gonna solve it, huh?
Yeah, that looks it. And then now we have the boomerang, which we will have like that, and then we just need to do the FURURF, which stands for F front, U up, R right. So F for me and up for me and right for me, and then let's just in the back, and then we have the plus. At the plus, we hold the blue in the front, and we do so block counter, block counter, and then block flip counter, and then we have the top heavy, which we do the same, and then now we have the plus, which we do the same. Now we have the top heavy again, which we do the same, like this. Now we have the fish that you want to hold it like that, and then we do the same. And just keep on doing that until you get the yellow. And we have the yellow. And now we have 2 corners here, only 2, and then we do the... Oh, so now we have corners and the green, and now we do the last step, which is this. Wait, oh.
You really solved it!
Yes! That's okay.
Can you teach me also how to do this?
Yeah, at my next video, if I get at least 1 subscriber or 1 like.
Yeah. Good job. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.